In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import subscribers in Aweber. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Aweber account and that you are working in the correct list, since subscribers import into the list you currently have selected. Once you are ready, go to the Subscribers section in the main navigation. This is where Aweber keeps all of your contacts and list management tools. Inside Subscribers, select Add Subscribers. This opens the area where you can add new people to your list. Since we are bringing in a group of subscribers from a file, look for the option labeled Import Multiple and click it. Import Multiple is designed for uploading a spreadsheet-style file, so it is the fastest and cleanest method when you already have your contacts organized. Next, upload your file. Aweber accepts common formats including CSV, XLS, and XLSX. Before you choose the file, it helps to quickly confirm that your spreadsheet is clean and consistent. For example, keep one row per subscriber, and make sure your columns have clear headings like name and email address. Also, remove any extra notes or blank columns that are not needed, because that can slow down the mapping step. After the file is uploaded, Aweber will ask you to map your fields. Mapping means you are matching each column from your file to the correct subscriber field in Aweber, such as email, name, or any custom fields you use. Take your time here and verify that each column is aligned properly. If a column does not apply, leave it unmapped so you do not store incorrect data. You may also see additional options and a background information section during the import. Use these areas to review and confirm the details Aweber requests about your subscribers and your list. The goal is to make sure your import follows Aweber requirements and that your contacts are added with the right information attached. Once everything looks correct, submit your import. Aweber will process the file and begin adding subscribers to your list. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. After it finishes, you can return to the subscribers area to confirm that the contacts appear as expected. That covers everything you need to know.